Hello, I hope you're doing well. This video is a bit different than my usual type of content. I figured that since I make body kits for cars, and I would try to make a body kit for a car in under an hour. So I thought it would be fun to give myself something unique to do, as I'm always posting animations and stuff. So I thought that this would be a different type of video for you guys. So I'm accompanied by my friend Ivy over here. Ivy, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, and we are going to try at least to make a body kit for a car in under an hour. I chose 3 random cars and we are going to do a wheel spin and we are going to pick whatever car it lands on. So we have 3 cars and I already forgot what cars they were because I've been planning this video for months and I just haven't gotten around to making it. We have 3 cars and whichever one it lands on, we have to make a body kit for that. So Ivy, are you ready?
Yes.
Which car do you hope it lands on? Car 1, car 2, car 3?
I'm hoping car 3. I'm hoping that it's like a PLP 50 or something.
Let's start with the wheel spin and let's see what we get. It is car 3. Did you say car 3?
It was. Yeah, I did say car 3.
Alright.
Car 3, let's go.
So now we gotta unveil car 3. Sadly, this isn't car 3, the one that you see on your screen right now. I wish it was car 3, but this is just a a placeholder.
I mean, no, there's a concept design for a NASCAR.
Exactly. But can you guess what type of car number 3 will be?
Ooh. I'm hoping for something like very like a Kano box type thing.
Well, I guess we'll have to find out. Can you give me a car name?
A Golf Mark 1.
A Golf Mark 1. That's a good guess. I guess we'll have to see what car number 3 is. Let's go. Oh.
That is the complete opposite.
That is the complete opposite of what you said. So we have a Ferrari SF90 that we have to modify in under an hour. In order to pick the style that we want to modify this car in, I made up different categories. So we have a drag build, a racer build, drift missile, or other type of styles that we can try to base our body kit on. We are going to do a wheel spin of that. And in these boxes right here, in these collections, we have a certain part that we have to use in our kit.
Ooh.
So we'll go back to wheel spin and we shall see what we get. So what are you hoping for that we modify this Ferrari SF90 in? What are you hoping that we turn this into?
Awfully enough, I really want to see it as a ricer build.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I hope we don't get the ricer build. I would be happy if we get like a street build or a drift missile. I would want to see like a Ferrari as a drift missile. I think that would be cool. But
That would be cool, yeah.
But let's see what we get.
Oh my
Alright. Off-roader it is.
Off-roader?
Yeah. So we gotta turn this Ferrari into an off-roader. This is gonna somehow, yeah, this is gonna be something unique. What are you expecting that we add onto this Ferrari off-roader?
33-inch tires.
Yeah.
Big over fenders.
Gotta add in like a bash bar. What else? We gotta give it a lift kit.
A snorkel.
Yeah, gotta give it a snorkel, but it's rear engine. We gotta have it coming out the back.
Oh, like a truck, one of those truck exhausts.
Yeah, so we gotta see what we get in the off-roader collection. So let's oh, we just get a tire and a wheel.
Just one tire.
Yeah, we just gotta use this.
You know what? This would go hard on like above on top of the engine, like the hood.
That's a good idea. So, before we begin, as I said that I'm going to give myself an hour to do this. So now that we have loaded up a timer, we exactly have 1 hour to make an off-road ready Ferrari SF90. And after the 1 hour is finished, I will render out the car and we will see what it looks like in its final form. Let's start the timer. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So what we have here is that we gotta make these tires fit. As we can clearly see, the tire that we got is way too big. So we gotta make them big fenders.
Big fenders.
Big fenders. We're gonna run into a bit of trouble. As you can see that the door is a bit, yeah. As you can see that the door is very close to the wheels. We have to push it more out.
I mean, you could like add some, what is it, caster? Where the wheel goes forward a bit.
That might work, yeah. What if some executive from Ferrari just happens to stumble upon this video and they're like, And this guy, cease and desist, he ruined our brand.
Tarnished.
Yeah, tarnished the brand's name.
How do you think this will affect the steering?
No steering, the car just goes straight. no steering whatsoever. So while I'm doing this, I figured it would be interesting to ask you about your most controversial car-related opinion.
Ooh. I have to really think about this. I have a bunch.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah. It's less that it's like a car take and more just like a general take of cars.
Yeah, what is your most controversial car-related?
I'm with the notion that like you can replace cars with public transit and it'll be perfect.
Would you like to live in a world where you can't drive this monster truck of a Ferrari and you just have to, take the bus?
I mean, recreationally, you could.
You know what my most controversial take is?
Sure.
Now I feel
Sure.
stupid because I thought of this before. I don't get people who wrap their gas caps.
They do that?
I get that wrapping a car is like very expensive if you do it properly, but why do you have to just like get a sample square of the wrap and just put it on your gas cap?
No, I agree. I agree.
Our Ferrari is not only wide, also
A foot off the ground.
yes, foot off the ground, exactly.
We gotta put like a step bar thingy under the next to the door. I just had a really dumb idea of having the side step hang instead of like under the car, hang it from the fenders. That sounds really stupid, but I kind of want to see that.
All right, let's do that then. This is what this challenge is all about. If this video gets a good response, then we will turn this into a series and we'll just try to make body
More
kit.
dumb car ideas.
Exactly. So we're just gonna have this like a little
It's held up by a piece of cardboard.
yeah.
Do you think a beginner welder could do this?
For sure. All a beginner welder needs is like their hands on a Ferrari. They're good to go in my opinion.
That's the hard part. How much does it cost? SF90? Starting at 500k USD.
Right. So we are just casually, accentuating a 500.
Mangling.
Yeah. Not mangling. We are accentuating. That's the word.
Yeah, accentuating.
Yeah, we are accentuating the features of the car and making it more useful than it already is.
Can the door open?
I hope so. It looks like a pool noodle.
It does, it does.
Smash like if you're enjoying the video so far. If anyone is watching.
Smash like.
If anyone is watching so far. Anyways, now our Ferrari has teeth.
What's the time limit looking like?
Oh yeah, we gotta check in. Oh, we got 25 minutes left. Oh no.
We got a bunch of time.
Honestly, I'm thinking we should just use straps.
Yeah?
We should put, like, you see these little vents right here? We should mount the strap like that.
Yo, Eder, put a funny image on screen. I think the Honda Accord is like the world's best-selling car. Or the Ford F-150. One of those.
Not the Honda Accord, no. I think it's the Corolla.
Maybe.
Leave it in the comments below.
How do you think this will do in a wind tunnel?
Very badly. Like a brick. It has the same aerodynamic capabilities as like putting a cinder block. You know that image of like a cow in an...
Yes, yes.
I
love that one.
Alright, so how long
It's done?
Oh, we got 35 seconds left. Oh, I wanted to add the snorkel.
I don't think that's a snorkel. Yeah.
Oh, no. So now what's left to do is that we have to render this and then we will see what it looks like after that. Right, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Smash like, smash like.
Smash like.